Hey, what's up, guys? Hey.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm showing you how I grow unlimited ginger using aquaponics. It is easy, it's fun and feasible. Behold, unlimited ginger, and the best part, it's growing in my backyard aquaponics system. This soil, no hassle, no watering, no back-breaking digging, no stress, just big fat juicy ginger on autopilot. Smells like wealth, smells like success, smells like never having to buy ginger at ridiculous prices ever again. Alright, here the secret sauce. Fish poop plus water plus nitrifying bacteria plus ginger is equal to unlimited harvest. The fish poop feeds the plants. The plants clean the water for the fish, and yeah, nature does the work while I sip my ginger tea and watch it grow. Gingers, right? They grow non-stop. I just snip, harvest, and we keep coming back. It's like the gift that keeps on giving, except it's spicy, delicious, and doesn't send you weird holiday sweaters. So you stick around because I'm going to show you exactly how this works and how you can do this too. Let's go!
How aquaponics works. Install a fish pond and a grow bed. Water from the fish tank is pumped to the plant grow bed. Bacteria convert ammonia to nitrite and then to nitrate. Plants absorb the nutrient-rich water. Filtered water is returned to the fish tank clear and clean. This is how the fertilizer works. We feed the fish, and then the fish poop, and then waste product protein in feed become ammonia, and then the ammonia will be converted by the bacteria to nitrate, and then the ammonia and nitrate will become part of plant, and in here we can harvest the vegetables and the fish.
So what is aquaponics? I have a super simple explanation. Simple. Fish nitrifying bacteria and plants helping each other to grow. The fish eat their food, then they poop. That fish poop turns into natural fertilizer for plants. The plants then clean the water, so the fish stay happy. It's a perfect cycle. Less work, more food, win-win. Well, thanks to the real workers, the fish and bacteria. These little guys do all the work. They produce nutrients for the plants, and in return, they get a fresh, clean home. I just feed them and they do the rest. Pretty good, team. Keep working hard so I can grow more ginger. And why ginger? And why it grows so well? So why am I growing ginger? Because ginger is a superfood for a superman like me. It's good for your immune system, great for cooking, and it grows like crazy in aquaponics. Normally, ginger takes months to grow in soil, but in aquaponics, it grows faster with Less effort, no pests, no chemicals, just clean, organic ginger. This was one tiny piece of ginger a few months ago. Now, it's like a never-ending ginger factory. Meanwhile, in my backyard, I'm basically running a ginger empire. I'm never paying for ginger again. They can't stop me now. You can stop me now eating. No, I'm not crying. You're crying. Ginger for cooking. Ginger for tea. Ginger for health. Ginger for world domination. And how to grow ginger in aquaponics? Step-by-step guide. Wanna try this yourself? It's super simple. Here's what you need. A fish tank. A small one works fine. A grow bed where the plants you grow. Some fish, goldfish, tilapia, catfish, or koi will do. Ginger root. Just buy one from the store and let it sprout. Once it starts sprouting, plant it in your aquaponics system and let nature do the work. In a few months, it's boom! You have fresh, homegrown ginger. What can I do with all this ginger? So now I have way too much ginger. What do I do with it? Here are some ideas. I like making ginger tea, ginger soup, ginger stir fry. Tea? Yes. Cooking? Also yes. Selling ginger to my neighbors. Tempting. Or maybe I'll just start my own ginger business. So there you have it. Unlimited ginger grown with fish, no harmful chemicals, and no commercial fertilizers needed. If you want to try aquaponics, this is the perfect way to start. When life gives you ginger, make tea, cook something delicious, and maybe even start a business. Remember, friends, why buy it when you can grow it? What about you, buddy? Listen up, fellow food lovers. If you wanna grow free ginger forever, and if you enjoy this video, please smash the like button, comment below, and hit subscribe so you don't miss my next crazy experiments. Why should I grow next in my aquaponics system? Let's get creative, stay spicy, and I'll see you in the next one. See you in the next video. Whoops! Ginger overload. See ya next time.